All of you, I'm here again for another tutorial about low polygon modeling. So first, I already set up the pattern for you to follow. So here it is. First, we need to go to extended primitive. No, there's the standard primitive. Then we will have to go to extended primitive and then click on to the capsule. Okay, this is the top. So let's try this one. Now after that, we will have to drag it up. Okay, like that. Now uh, so to make this capsule be transparent, you will have to go to the have to right click that object properties and then control the visibility, and then let's try to make it 0.5. Now you can see the uh, the pattern or the guide at the back. Okay, so let's adjust it a little bit here, and then you can modify now the capsule. So the height is so tall, so let's lessen the height. So okay, like that, and then here it goes. Okay, and then let's center the model. Okay, and we find the radius so wide, so let's reduce it that way. Okay, after creating the capsule, no uh, you can also increase the height segment. Okay, like that. Let's make 4 segments for the height, and then after that we will have to make it editable poly. Now once it editable poly, okay, you can now uh, model it very easily. Okay, let's check first if it's in the center. Correct, it's in the center. Okay, never mind if this is too much, it has too much edges because of not so much segment. Okay, so we will just have to add here uh, what you call that smooth, turbo smooth, sorry, turbo smooth. Where is the turbo smooth? Okay, okay, edit, tessellate smooth, turbo smooth. Camera, yeah, here it is, subdivision surface. See, it's so easy to make it smooth. Okay, then you can even increase it. No, okay, let's show the edge spaces. Okay, just iteration increase and it will become super smooth. Okay, so anyway, we will don't need the turbo smooth for now. So let's be on the editable poly. So we wanted to create the hand. So to create the hand is just, you can now go to this one, vertex. You can uh, lower the vertex. So we have we have a guide for the hand, like that. Okay, then on the left side or right side here, this is the right side. Okay, or here we can drag. Okay, there you go. Now this is the hand, the location of the hand. So to uh, to make a circular pa path or circular shape here in this area, you may select an edge. This one is the edge. Okay, and then you can go to jumper, edit edges. Okay, jumper. Okay, cancel, let's cancel. Or we can go to right click, then there you go, you will have to select jumper. Okay, wait, okay. Right click, create extrude jumper, and then here click that one, and then you can see now there is a jumper. Now let us increase. Okay, see now. Now we can now put the arm on that area, so we can just check it. So if it's okay, now then after that you can select an edge, and then you can right click, remove it. Okay, click, remove, click, okay, remove. Select all by, you can continuously select all the edges by pressing the control on the keypad, okay, while selecting the edges that you want to be removed, then remove. Okay, and then if you go, if you notice, if you will go to the polygon, here is the polygon, okay, or here, you see, here is the polygon, okay, and it's the same. You can now select this one, okay. Now since the thing is so large, we can make it smaller by going to the vertex, and then we can move the vertex down. Then also this one, now we have now uh, a polygon that will be for our arm, okay. Look at that, it's cool. Okay, now you find it too low, increase it that way. Yeah, okay. Then after that you can go to polygon or edge, and then here, okay, our loop, okay, there's no such thing as loop there, so you can find it here, no, by selecting the edge. There you go, at the bottom of the selection you can select loop, okay, or just because like this, no, I will go to the vertex. Look, if you select an edge and if you select the loop, okay, all the edges, okay, will be selected, but in this case it cannot be selected. So look at this, I'll select that one and then press loop, and all of that will be selected all throughout. Okay, so since this is not selectable by loop, okay, we will individually select the edges by pressing control, okay, like that. That's how the way to select an edge. Now here, okay, we shift to polygon, and then on the perspective, so that we can see how it is working, go to perspective, okay. Oh, I have a duplicate, huh? So here, there you go, we don't need this one, sorry. I will select another capsule, delete it. Now let us select, and then I can now hide this thing, okay. This is a priest, so unpriest all, and then right click, hide, right, and then you can also priest this one, priest. Okay, now we are here, this one, okay. Okay, you got it. Now this is the one that we want to modify, and then right click, you can select to call that, okay, edge, sorry again, then right click, and then we can select jumper. Okay, look at that. Okay, now we will have to make it smaller. Yeah, okay, look at that. Okay, then you can even increase that. Okay. Okay, now let's make it only one, then press okay. Then you notice, no, why I added some champering here, it's because so that we can have a smooth arm from the body to arm. It would become smooth. Then you can just select that and then right click, bevel, extrude. Okay, look at that. Okay, now then okay, then I will select again and then bevel, uh, extrude, sorry, extrude. Okay, check, right click, extrude again. Okay, now we, oh sorry, right click, extrude, then press OK. Now we will have to copy this one. What's the next? Now it's here. Okay, so we will have to create a inset. Okay, now select the edge, loop. Can we loop? No, it's not looping. So select all of that and then right click and then chamfer. Look at that. Okay. Now you can or yeah, it's okay. Press or inset, right click, extrude chamfer, split, remove, connect, edit edges, extrude, remove chamfer, bridge. Okay, so let us we wanted to add a edge, so here connect, split, extrude, chamfer. Now it's okay. Let's make it smaller. Okay, then we can select again the edge. Okay, I check if we already check all, and then you can go to scale and then scale that part. Okay, now you can select this one again, the one inside, and then you can just drag it. Look at that. Look. Okay, now it's okay. Now we will have to create a hand. The finger should be here. Okay, okay, so let us select the vertex. Okay, this one is the vertex, control, and then select on the front so we can see if it is correct. Then you can just add that one. Okay, okay, okay. Look at that, it's not straight, so we'll straighten it up a little bit. Okay, now let us try the turbo smooth. How does it work? Okay, look, turbo smooth. Okay, okay, look at the corner, look at the corner. Okay, uh, let's try to make it a clay. Look, look, you see, that's the purpose of the uh, chamfer on the side, so it can have a smooth transition from the body to the arm. Okay, and let's turn it off again. Now let's go to the polygon again, and then we can now what's let's see how what's the pattern. Okay, like that. Okay, then we will have to increase. Okay, Okay, let's see. So the arm on top should be straight. Okay, let's check this one. I will select a vertex so that I can make it straight. Okay, then here. Okay, let us try to check this out. Okay, okay. Then we will now make a fingers palm. First is palm. Select this one and then right click, and then we can now extrude. Okay, that's a palm. Okay, 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 and then we can now oh sorry, polygon, then extrude. Okay, then enter. Okay, now here we are on the edge. We can right click and then we can cut it. Where's the cut? Okay, cut is there. Okay, cut works like this. Okay, then right right click, then you have here a polygon. Okay, you can now mm, extrude it again. Extrude. Mm. Now that's the what you call that, the big finger. Okay, then you can move it that way. Okay, then let's try turbo smooth. Okay, okay, then let's turn it off again. Okay, then uh, okay, if you find it too short, okay, we can click onto the vertex and then move it a little bit down, back. Okay, back, and then let's check uh, okay, here, then let's check the polygon and then extrude again. Okay, not so long, that. Okay, and then you can drag it that way. Okay, or you can move it down a little bit. Now in this one, in this case, we can go to edge, and then also we can cut it. Okay, cut. And, okay. One. Okay, now we have here a polygon. Then you can extrude it again. Extrude. Okay, then we can move it a little bit farther. Right click, extrude. Okay, and then we need to extrude it again. Extrude. Okay, now let's move it a little bit here, or we move it before extruding. Yeah, and right click, extrude, and yes, polygon. Okay, then this one, extrude, extrude. Okay, okay, then extrude. already have the finger. Now this one, the last one, you can extrude and then extrude again, move it a little bit and then extrude again. Okay, then we move it a little bit here. Okay, now this one, because they are all going down, and then we will increase the, okay, this one, the vertex. Okay, increase. Okay, let us try now. Let's check. Okay, how does it look like now? Okay, now let us try to turn on turbo smooth. Okay, so this one, turn it off again, and then we will add some edge. Select the edge and then select loop, so all throughout it will be selected. Okay, let us see. Okay, why this one is not selected? So let us manually select this one, the edge. Okay, and then we can right click. You can go and add jumper onto it. Okay, now let's check, and then let's add turbo smooth. Okay, so very easy, huh? Okay, now for fine tuning, so it's up to you. How are you going to uh, add edges? Okay, so you can fine tune. Okay, then here. Okay, then you look at the front view, so we can see if it's correct here on this vertex on this side. So it is not straight. We can straight that. Okay, and if you find this not really in the, okay, not really aligned with the arm, you can select it that way. Then let's check. Okay, this is orbit sub object. Okay, now on top. Okay, on top it's here, so we will move it a little bit. Okay, now turbo smooth. Right, or if you want it really like gloves, you can select the edge, then select loop. Okay, then we will check if it's if all edges are selected. I think it's not, so here. Okay, I think it's selected, no, it all are selected. Okay, now we can try to experiment, no, like that. Then let's try to turbo smooth. Okay, just like that. Then we find it too large, the globe, turn it off, and then select the vertex or the edge, and then loop. Okay, then you can adjust it. Okay, or you can also uh, okay, you can scale that. Okay, then let's check again. It's okay. Then you can increase the iterations to make it more smoother.